Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the first video of this channel, Brito FX. I hope you're super excited because I myself am super excited. This channel is going to bring you a whole lot of value. I believe if you watching this channel, you want to become a Forex trader or you're already a Forex trader. Well, first and foremost, if you're trying to become a Forex trader, I want to congratulate you for making the decision to become a Forex trader because this is the most lucrative industry, but it doesn't come without work. And that's what this channel is all about, to help you pass through those processes or the requirements you need to become successful. That's what this channel is all about. If you're a seasoned trader or someone who has been trading for a long time, this channel is also for you because we're going to be talking about a lot of things. We talk about psychology, money management, trade management. We talk about some basic things. Actually, I'm going to move from the basic stuffs to advanced stuff so that we carry everybody along. We're also going to talk about analysis, pre-market analysis and aftermarket analysis, so that you will see how I see the markets. It's not a signal. It's not a signal. It's not all and all. I'm prone to making errors and mistakes. Most times I'll be wrong, but many more times I'll be right. But it's just a roadmap for you to know how I see the market and what I'm looking for going forward. So guys, it's going to be a lot of value. It's not an investment group or a signal service, or I don't give trade advice. I just share my experience with you and things I believe that will help you, and mistakes I've made in the past and how you can avoid them. Like I said before, it's not an investment advice or a trade advice. I'm just sharing my experience. Most of the things I'm going to share will resonate with you. Some might not resonate with you. That's normal. You can't agree to everything, but I will always want to get your feedback in the comment section. Tell me your opinion, what you think, and if you have any pressing question or topics you want me to cover, you could drop them on the comment section. I will attend to them in due time. So guys, like I said, this channel is all about value. It's all about value. I'm going to be sharing value upon value, and trust me, it's going to help you. So I think if you're new or you're seeing this video for the first time, you could click on the like button, subscribe, because a lot of value will come your way. So guys, welcome to Brito FX. I hope we enjoy this journey together. Until next time guys, I wish you good luck.